So we are on the final part of our Inventor unit. What we're going to be doing here is the last part of your new Inventor requirements. We are going to assemble the rest of this air skimmer, and we're going to put the air scoop on the front here. So let's go into Inventor. And here I already have my main body panel, and I've got my two fins in the back here. So I want to go get the air scoop and put it in this assembly. So go to Place. I'm going to go get my air scoop. I'm going to open it, and here it is. Now, hit Escape. Now, what you're going to do is you could tell that my air scoop is upside down. So I want to right-click on there, and I want to go to Free Rotate. So I just rotate this scoop, and I want to try to line it up so it's going the same way as the main body panel there. So as I click on this, like I said before with the air fins, you want it about even with it so you start off in a good place. So now it is going to be one mate, false, two mates, one flush. Two mates and one flush. So the first thing we're going to mate, go up to Constrain, Mate. We want to mate this side. Think about what you're gluing. We did this in class. We are mating that side with the inside of the main body panel, just like that. And you're going to hit Apply. I know it doesn't look right yet, but that's okay. The next thing we want to mate is this. And you're going to have to move it a little bit, so I'm going to actually X out of there. But you're going to have to move this a little bit so you can look at it. And we want to mate this top part of the air scoop. So go to Constrain, go to Mate. We want to mate this part of the air scoop and rotate it to the bottom of the main body panel and hit Apply. Now, hopefully you don't need to watch the rest of the video, because you could tell it's uneven, and you should say to yourself, oh, well, that just needs to be even. And to do that, I have to go to Flush, and you are going to flush the front of this air scoop right there with the front of this air skimmer. Very good. Hit Apply, and you're done. And when I have this now, I should be able to grab that air scoop, and it should not be able to move, because the main body panel is grounded, and the scoop is attached to that, so are the fins, so they cannot move. So if you've completed this, congratulations, you have now received an A on your Inventor unit. Nice job.